Megalook hair again. Alright, same packaging as before. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm seeing the wig first, which we're gonna get into in a few. And I also got a bag with some goodies, and that's everything that came in the drawstring bag. Alright, now I got a branded Megalook elastic headband, as well as a pair of wig caps, an edge brush and comb, and a pair of lashes, and lastly this cute little pearl clip. Alright guys, so we're working with a gorgeous lace closure, glueless pre-cut, pre-plucked. Oh my gosh, there's so much pre going on because they have it all laid out for you already. You really don't have much work to do, so everything is nicely done, and if you're a beginner, this is perfect. It looks so good. It's nicely graduated in the front here. I love the look of that, and it's a straight wig that we're working with, guys. This is 26 inches long, very nice and full, and it's a 1B texture, so this is giving more of like a natural straight. Like, it's not like bone straight out of the packaging, but we're gonna get it bone straight. Not a lot of flyaways. It feels pretty good. It's not like super silky, not super silky, but it feels very nice and full, as I said. In terms of the density, I'll be sure to list that in my description box, so please go ahead and check it. They were sure to send me this elastic band so I could go ahead and attach it on the inside of the cap, because as you can see, there's no combs or anything inside. So this is what you're gonna apply on the cap to add that security. So let's go. So for a nice snug fit, I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust the elastic band so it's a little tighter. This way it can have a really nice hold on my head, and you don't have to be dealing with any combs on the inside of the cap. I know some people don't like that, so I'm gonna just go ahead and slip this on. And this, you don't have to apply any glue, anything at all. You can go ahead and just wear it as it's throw on and go kind of vibe. It's laying really flat once I slip it on, and I love the deep parting space that it has. Like, you could even go ahead and do a side part with this, guys. That's the thing. They're making these closures, like, I'm not saying that they didn't always have the space, but everything lays so flat, so the hair looks way more realistic. You'd think it's a full-on lace front, or, you know, like, it's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. So I absolutely love that. All right, so okay, it's a pre-cut lace, as I said before, throw on and go kind of like. But what I realize is that there's a little bit of space in the very front here, so I'm gonna actually cut away the extra lace that doesn't necessarily have any hair on it. As you can tell, there's still a little bit of cast, so usually for this I would just go in with my base powder and just erase the cast, and it's gone. Guys, so that's how we're looking for now. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of finesse the parting. We're gonna do a nice center part, and I'm gonna get my hot comb and wax stick to just get this really nice, neat and precise. And I'm gonna run through the entire wig with my flat iron, so we can have that nice buttery bone straight look. this is the wig, guys. It's looking so good, so good. I'm super pleased with the flow, the movement. It was really easy to just straighten right throughout the wig. So all I'm gonna do is make the parting really nice and precise. I absolutely love the way this wig laid super flat. You want nice sleek bust down vibe? Yeah, Megalook got it. And it's a closure wig. It's not a full-on lace front. And it is glueless. So, and you got inches. So bear in mind, guys, I'm 5'1", so yes, it's gonna look longer on me. All right, so use that as a guide. But I actually, so easy to finesse. Let me know if you found this wig video informative. Of course, you guys know how I do. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as all the specifications. Shout out to Megalook here, because they slayed. This wig is slaying. It's moving like butter. Love this. I know some of my females out there, they love a good straight wig, a good straight texture. This is it. It's not super silky to the point where you know like sometimes the hair is so silky it's hard to grip. This still has some coarseness to it, so bear that in mind. And it's light shedding so far. I'm experiencing 1 and 2 shedding. It's not excessive, but yeah, so bear that in mind. Yeah, I can just imagine this in a nice jet black, because I love jet black hair, you know. But the 1B works if you want to be more natural and muted, but I love a good jet black. But yeah, that's it, guys. That is it for today's wig look. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just love you over yourself. Bye.